No, if there is one player in the current champion Liverpool team of the past 2 to 3 seasons that the detractors and the haters consistently set them out upon to get injured, that player is Virgil van Dijk. Well, the twisted minds of all the haters get what they wish for. Yes, with brother. Yes. Not only is Van Dijk out for the season, no Matip is out, no Fabinho is out, and according to the long perpetuated theory, Liverpool side mash up. Yes, we cannot defend with title, and we're gonna struggle to make top 4 and blah blah blah. But you know what I say? Me I look forward to this season now even more. Injuries are injuries. I mean, I find no excuse. You see, this Liverpool team is a tried and proven champion team. We still have the best coach in the world. And the way the league, and indeed the Champions League unfolding, with the ups and the downs and teams winning and losing, we still have all our offensive weapons intact. And so far, so good with the defensive replacements. You hear me now? You see, all of who a peep over the Liverpool fence, and I wish bad things for it. Wanna check the results since Van Dijk gone? Yes, check the results. Wanna see? So much goal we can see. What we can see when the people want no fun when drop down when the season done. Yes. Wanna go and keep me here that?